Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Bethany. If you're new here,
welcome.
If you're not, thanks for coming back. And as you can tell by the title, this is the Allure box. Right here. It has my address, so when we open it, I'll show you the box. So if you want to see what I got in my July Allure box, then keep watching. So it says here, Allure Beauty Box. It is $15 a month, cancel anytime type of subscription. I heard you can get this through Amazon as well. So if you're new, on my channel we do unboxings, dabble in some makeup, just to try out stuff, give you my honest opinion, some mommy topics, and anything else I can pretty much think of. So, sorry for the noise. Some ASMR for you. Here is the box. It's a nice sturdy cardboard box. I tried to look up the weight because I know a lot of people are interested in the weight, but I couldn't find it. So this is for the month of July, as I said. So typically you get nice packaging inside to hold everything in. And on top is the brochure that tells you the editor's choice of what they put in the box with a little review from the person who recommended it. And we'll briefly go through it. And here is the red package. Usually it's taped, but here's a peek. Pamphlet with a beautiful lady here, and there's some promo codes inside. I will leave them on the bottom if there are codes. So the first thing in here is this Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. It says it is refining serum, translucent plus luminous, peach extract plus peptide complex. $39, and this is 40 mLs or 1.35 fluid ounces. Poreless, luminous, translucent glass skin is yours. Wow, they are hyping this up. Here is the package. Oh, this is nice, sleek, simple packaging. It says it's based out of New York, but it's made in Korea. So this is a K-beauty brand, and it has a pump style. Directions. Pat onto clean, dry skin, can be used in the AM and PM. Okay, so let's try it out. Oh, it is like a serum, very translucent, like it says. So far, they're not lying. And it's very silky. And I can already see the shiny glass that they're talking about. I have no smell. I can't smell anything on here. So this is really nice. It says vegan, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and 100% worry-free. Isn't that cute? I'm starting to like this K-beauty stuff. So here it is. And that has like, not fully absorbed, but it's very nice actually. All right, so she recommended it. It gave her stressed looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. Immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to hyaluronic acid, which is so trendy right now. So you can buy it at peachandlily.com. There's a card here about Peach and Lily. It just tells you more about OC. I'm assuming that's how it's pronounced. This is an ocean cleanser, mineralize and balance, 0.6 fluid ounces and 18 mLs. For those who are interested, it's for normal, dry, and combo skin. And it is $48. and you can find it on ocmalibu.com. Use Allure 15 at checkout to receive 15 off your order of $90. And this is 48, so let's see. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. That is so nice. What a description. Here is the little pump. This is a nice package. I mean, come on. They really get you. It's glass. It's a cleanser. I wonder if it's a foaming cleanser. This is made in California. Cruelty, vegan, gluten-free. Massage onto damp skin. Rinse in warm water. Use morning and night. So, very nice. Next I see is this cute little bottle here, and let me just make sure. This is the Ice Cream Hydrant. Oh, I'm reading it in French. It's Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream by Sunday Riley. Ooh, I have not had any Sunday Riley products ever. And here's the picture right here of a bigger one. This one is full size, would be $65. You can buy it sundayriley.com. There's no code. And I am going to say, okay, so the full size is 1.7 ounces. And this one is 0.3 ounces. Says it right there on the back. And there is the cream. It has like a yellowish hint. I'm smelling kind of like clay, like Play-Doh, which is not cool as a smell, but that's what I'm smelling. Let's see. So she claims that it gives glowy, dewy radiance in this moisturizer. It melts into skin as fast as a serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even the rough, scaly spots. I mean, this is a really nice, really cute package. So let's try this out and see, just a little dab. See if you can see the yellowish color. I mean, this sample size is enough to give you the idea. Oh, it's really creamy. Like, if you've tried Lala Retro by Drunk Elephant, or Eucerin cream is probably the cheapest one that I can think of. It's really thick. And again, I'm smelling like Play-Doh. Yeah. So if you don't mind that little smell, it's not bad. But next is this little guy here. Let me find it. Butanique. Sorry. Butanique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Okay. This retails for $16. This has really cute packaging as well. It's like I don't want to mess up the package. It's cruelty and vegan free. And here is the package. Very pretty. It looks like glass, but oh, it is sealed. I'm not gonna go that far to open it, which is nice. And it's a blush. So I am gonna put this to the side as like a giveaway. You can see that this is mostly glass underneath and the product is in there. It's probably not much of a product, but it's enough for you to try. So full size of this would be $16. You can find it at Butanique Beauty. Enter code ALLURE25 to receive 25% off. Acne Cover Patch. I think that's on the back here. It's in the book, but it's just on the back. right there. So there's no real, I think they just threw this in for everybody. So you get 8 clear patches. This is what it looks like. Avarel or Avarelli, cover blemishes invisibly. That's interesting. All right, and last we have a mask here. It is skin mask in charcoal. It's $3. This must be full size, obviously. How would you make a mini mask? Oh, it's made in Korea, so more K-beauty. Yay. This is really nice. Let's read a little of it. What we got a charcoal mask. We got the Sunday Riley Ice Moisturizer. We got 8 blemish acne cover patches. We have a butter lip and cheek balm. We have the OC cleanser, and we have the peach and lily serum. So for $15, I mean, this is a great deal. Personally, I enjoy things like this. This gives you a very wide variety. There is skincare. There's no real makeup. If you consider the blush, cheek, lip balm type of thing, that could be makeup. But I would recommend at least trying it out once. They have great stuff. And if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button on your way out, join this little community. We have such a great community. And let me know your thoughts down below. Which one of these products in the box do you think is the most interesting? Do you have Allure? Would you consider subscribing? All right, comment down below, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe.